tiramisu, stop pastries. So is it naturally possible or is it not? Indian sweets are better or or the Western sweets are better? Hi, this is Saurabh Raj Jain and she is
Krishni Chera. I'm a sports scientist and a nutritionist.
गाइज इससे पहले कि मैं आपको बहुत अलग अलग चीज़ें बताऊं अपने बारे में या मैं क्या करता हूं अपना फिटनेस के बारे में, आई थिंक द बेस्ट पर्सन टू स्पीक ऑन दिस इज स्पोर्ट्स न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट हरसेल्फ, क्योंकि जो हम लोग हैं, जो हम अपने आमूमन अपनी ज़िंदगी में जैसे क्या खाते हैं, क्या एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, उस सब के पीछे का जो साइंस है वो अगर कोई सही ढंग से बता सकता है तो वो है कृष्मी. So I'm very honored and I'm very happy that you are doing this. We are doing this together.
Yes.
So I really want to understand the science behind it all. I really want to understand कि कभी कभी क्या होता है ना कि हम जैसे सोचते हैं, जैसे बचपन में जब मेरे को पता चला था जिम सब जा रहे हैं तो मैं भी जा रहा हूँ वहाँ पे और मैं लगा हुआ था जिमिंग करने के लिए, लेकिन किसी किसी के लिए क्या होता है कि वो चीज़ें बहुत जल्दी हो जाती हैं, मतलब आराम से उनकी चेस्ट बन जाती है, आराम से उनकी बॉडी बन जाती है, और कुछ मेरी तरीके के होते हैं वो लगे रहते लेकिन बनती नहीं है. तो इस सब के पीछे का साइंस क्या है? व्हाट इज़ द मेन थिंग दैट वी नीड टू कीप इन माइंड स्पेशली फॉर द यंगस्टर्स जब वो जाते हैं जिम में, तो क्या ध्यान में रखें?
So the most important thing is, not just for your profession in general, abhi fitness, health is right on top of things, especially with COVID and everything that has happened. It has to be done scientifically. There's so much information on the internet, there's so much information that people tell you, trainers will tell you something, parents will tell you something, other people, friends will tell you something. You've seen a friend who's had a transformation, you want to have the same transformation, but you may not get it because your body is different.
Right.
So the most important thing is to understand your body, and that's what my job is. So what I would do is I would test you, we would go through a few questions, understand your lifestyle, your body type, because everybody has a different body type, and then in a scientific structured manner where we understand what suits your system, accordingly give a plan. Now whether that's a nutrition plan which helps you with your fitness, जैसे आपने बोला you keep going to the gym day in day out but you're not getting your best because आप कोई चीज़ करते हो and if you do it 100 times and do it wrong, you're not going to get a result.
Right.
If you do it 10 times in proper quality, you're just going to get better.
Right.
So the idea is to get that right balance for yourself, and then you can achieve that goal, whatever you said, whether it is to build big muscles, whether you want to lean down. Some people also want to do both, and I know that we've tried that for your various transformations that we've had.
Right.
So the idea is that's what my expertise is. Now I can't act the way you do, but I can definitely write a meal plan because that's my expertise.
Right.
So the idea is to go to an expert, get that in place, and of course follow it. Because
Right.
only if you follow it, आप consistently करोगे कोई चीज़, you'll get the result.
Right.
So that's the main aim behind it, and that's why a person needs to go to a sports nutritionist and have that trainer in the same team so that they can understand each other's requirements and help you get that transformation.
राइट. मुझे ना एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ आपसे पूछनी है, और ये आई एम श्योर बहुत से ऐसे व्यूअर्स हैं, बहुत से ऐसे यंगस्टर्स हैं जो ये पूछना चाहते होंगे कि जब वो मूवीज़ देखते हैं या इवन इन टेलीविजन नाउ डेज दे सी सम एक्टर्स, दे आर ऑल बल्क्ड अप कंप्लीटली, ऐसे एकदम फिट होते हैं और क्या बोलते हैं, ऐसे डेफिनेशंस निकली होती हैं उनकी. तो is it naturally possible or is it not? Because I keep hearing stories about the roids, this and that. So I really want to understand this also, that can that be attained naturally to that definitive or the definition that we see or not?
So I definitely think, I come from a fitness world where I have played sport. I have seen six-pack abs naturally occurring over a period of time, and that's the important part, over a period of time. Overnight कुछ नहीं होता. You have to keep at it to get consistent results, because even if you use different elements, people do supplements in a certain way, people also use certain medication to achieve results. You have to look at long-term benefit and whether you can sustain it. आपका एक रोल आने वाला है, we are achieving a result, we are trying to push hard. That's one thing, but you also have to look at a longer career span where your health is fine and you're able to perform at your best. And that's what athletes do well, and that's what we try to transfer to any other profession, be it a dancer, be it an actor, be it a student who's going to college and they need to just be looking fit but also be fit. If you can't climb a you can't go up a staircase without huffing and puffing, you're not fit. You may
You're
have
not
a
healthy.
six-pack abs, but you're not healthy to actually do an exercise. So it's important to make sure that you have your plan in mind, be consistent, and naturally it can happen. You can use help of natural supplements or things which are safe to use, and over a period of time you don't have to use it forever. So पैसे बचाने के लिए people say अच्छा मैं 2 महीने कर लूँगा और उसके बाद में नहीं करूँगा. You have to be consistently following a plan at least.
So the key point is over the period of time.
Yes.
It's not a मतलब ऐसे 2 महीने में बना लिया 3 महीने में बना लिया ऐसा नहीं होता भाई. आपको पूरा consistently over a period of time with the proper nutrition, only then you can attain it. It's not कि it is unattainable.
No,
right?
In fact it is, and naturally sustains you much more longer than any other thing.
Right. I remember मैं जब महाकाली शो करके बस हटाई था, I remember I had put on weight, beefed up because it was a role of a Shiva. So after that, one of my friend told me to come to Krishmi, and I thank my stars that I came in. And first, thank you so much
You're welcome.
for everything that you do.
Thank you for believing in me.
Yeah, but I saw results because मेरा उसमें इतना put on हो गया था weight, and I really wanted to cut down in the best possible manner because being me 6 feet 3 inches tall with such broad structure, I was thinking कि अब तो मुझे शायद राक्षस के रोल ही मिलेंगे इसके बाद. And then I met her. And then, like she said, the tests were done, and उसमें क्या क्या होता है टेस्ट के अंदर? आप क्या क्या देखते हो?
So we check body fat, muscle ratios, we check water levels because क्या होता है people fluctuate in weight and sometimes it's only water and they think overnight मैंने खा लिया and my weight is gone up and they panic. Or the other way around, they don't realize because say when you have a big structure you don't realize how much weight loss or weight gain is happening. But when we check, you actually know in numbers what is the difference, and that gives you a push saying okay, I need to get to this point, right? I need to achieve this number, and you're able to push better. So that's what we check for you, so that I can keep you in check and you don't go up and down. And you've done very well because each time we've had a different role where you've had to look different.
Right.
We've been able to achieve that because we have a goal set.
Right. Because immediately after that I did that Chandragupta Maurya, the negative character, और उसमें I had to lean down and आपके ऊपर जो इतने कॉस्ट्यूम होता है, ज्वेलरी होता है, all those things is one thing, but a person who's wearing it is another thing. So unless you are fit to wear those kind of costume, it won't look good. So this is where the expertise come in. And
I remember one more thing actually. During this phase of yours when you were in Chandragupta Maurya, it was also you were shooting in a lot of heat. I remember it was very hot and you had the heavy costume and you were constantly talking. I want to ask you something as a challenge because a lot of actors have different hectic schedules, different hours of shooting. You're doing an outdoor shoot and you're in absolute heat. Sometimes you're in a different environment completely where it's freezing. How do you cope with it, and how is anything that I may have given you tips that would have helped you?
I think the key is the nutrition because जब हम शूट के लिए जाते हैं तो अब आई रिमेंबर जिस दिन भी मेरा शूट होता था मॉर्निंग में फर्स्ट आई यूज़ टू गेट अप एंड देन व्हाटएवर शी सजेस्टेड आई यूज़ टू टेक दैट almonds or yeah exactly and then the gym would happen and then accordingly throughout the day the meals were planned इतने सारा कॉस्ट्यूम जब हम वहाँ पे जाते थे पहनने के लिए रेडी होने के लिए बट इफ़ यू आर न्यूट्रिशन वाइज यू आर कम्प्लीटली फुल मतलब कहीं पे भी वो वीकनेस वाला मूवमेंट नहीं आता सो ऑल दोज थिंग्स रियली यू डोंट फील टायर्ड एंड I remember the coconut thing that you had suggested, I remember मैं पहले इतना coconut water नहीं पीता था but then she suggested since you are shooting outdoor तो उसके लिए it's good to have
for your electrolytes so that you don't get dehydrated
right
because sometimes because you all have such long shooting hours पता नहीं चलता and you're in the moment right you're shooting so coconut water is the best natural electrolyte I always suggest it to
along with that also vitamin C that I was given so I think all these things actually helps you even for me particularly doing my job when we are shooting outdoor in such heavy costumes so this really helped and I really I sometimes regret why didn't I come to her earlier क्योंकि जब मैं महाभारत कर रहा था अगर मैं तब आता तो शायद मेरे लिए और भी अच्छा होता
but you're still as Lord Krishna mine and my mother's favorite so don't worry you still did a fantastic job
for you not Krishna for you Shiva
yes for my mom Lord Krishna
right So उसके बाद I think we were constantly in touch like after
Correct, but
every
I
3
think
months.
what we did was we had a goal for every role
हाँ
or a
हाँ
project that was coming up, and
हाँ
in between you would still follow. I think that's so
हाँ
important for the viewers to know, because
हाँ
people think a project हो गया,
हाँ
काम खत्म,
हाँ हाँ
but you had to kind of maintain whatever you had achieved,
हाँ
and then we moved on to your Nach Baliye, because I
yeah
think that was a big project that we were working on, because Ridhima was involved in
right
that.
right
You said you're not a good dancer, which is not true.
I'm not
But we had to work a lot to make sure that you were able to do rigorous activity throughout the day.
Right.
Dancing, which maybe you were not used to so
and
much.
shooting also simultaneously, remember
Correct.
both the things
Yeah,
going
correct.
together. Yeah.
So during Nach Baliye, what was your experience? Let's hear it from you.
Like I mentioned about the shoot, I think नच बलिए के टाइम पर इतना ज़्यादा प्रेशराइज्ड हो गया था, मतलब मेंटली ऑल्सो फिजिकली ऑल्सो, बिकॉज आई वॉज शूटिंग इन उमरगांव एंड देन आई वॉज रिहर्सिंग इन द नाइट, हार्डली एबल टू स्लीप. बट थिंग्स हैपेंड एंड आई एम हैप्पी द वे इट हैपेंड. आई नेवर, मैं तो सेकेंड वीक में ही सोचा था शायद अब मैं निकाला जाऊँगा, but reached I think until 13th week or whatever. So I'm happy, but again all this was possible not because of me, it is because of the people behind me, and one of the strongest pillar is the nutrition, and which comes from the sports nutritionist herself. I think that really helps, because proper diet along with your proper training, along with that कहाँ पे आप कमी पड़ रही है with the test and everything that comes into picture. So all these things pushes you towards your goal, pushes you towards doing the right thing at the right time. I think that really helped. That was my take on it.
Okay, great. So now that the lockdown has happened, and you tend to have projects, you have to spend time with your families. You've got two beautiful, lovely children that he spends time with. So what is your goal as a father? Apart from as an actor, you always have goals as a father for your family. You want to be healthy. What is it that you would like to also give a message to everybody who's in your profession but also has a family and has to balance both? How do you look at health now, and what are the three things, maybe 3 points that you took away from me or core to understand how you should go ahead with your health from here on?
I think I'll answer the last part of the question first. Three things तो मुझे पता नहीं, whatever it comes in one by one.
Yeah.
One is definitely your nutrition, that has to be perfect, which right now at this point of time it is not.
But I do allow, you have to tell people that I do allow cheat
Yeah.
meals as well, and he
Yeah.
loves his mom's desserts and the meetha his mom makes, and I allow that.
Yeah,
And we still get
once a
good
week,
results.
once a week.
Fair enough, इतना तो है.
Yeah, okay. उसके साथ nutrition के अलावा I think your workout that you have to keep in place. You have to, like, consistently, that is very important. Consistency is very important. Third thing, I think, which I've said in the second one, the consistency. Like, you don't have to leave the nutrition in between, or you don't have to skip the workout in between. I think that consistency of both the things together is very important. So I think these are the things
Yeah. And
which
what is your health goal going ahead?
my health goal, I'll tell before that I will answer the babies part, because I'm very emotional with that. So COVID times, when it started, I think it was one of the most beautiful phase of my life, also because I got to spend so much time with my babies. And in my childhood, I did not get much time to spend with my father for whatever reason. So all the more I want to give them all that I can. So उनका मैंने, I think I discussed with you, I made one schedule जिसमें शाम को on a daily basis, like Monday to Saturday, Sunday not, उसमें me, Ridhima, my wife, and both our children, we would work out together for like 20-25 minutes, and I'm so happy to see them doing planks, the T plank and everything together. तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है मुझे. So that is my take. I think it is very important. Otherwise, COVID or otherwise, it's very important to be healthy. और क्योंकि कोविड में बच्चे बाहर नहीं जा पा रहे थे, तो ऑल द मोर आई वांटेड देम टू बी doing something at home.
If you're fit and they see you do it, that's what has happened,
हाँ.
right? They've picked up a lot of things from you as well. So you
Yeah.
are a role model for your kids as well in a lot of ways.
I try
And
to.
it's amazing. But it's
Let's
amazing.
see.
I have seen videos of it. I know that they train with you. And
हाँ.
I know that you've continued to do that even through the lockdown. We've spoken
हाँ.
about it where
हाँ.
you said that gym nahi hai,
हाँ.
but you've still trained at home as well. That's what I talk about,
हाँ.
saying being consistent outside the time that you need to be as well.
Right,
Yeah.
right. यहाँ से मेरा गोल एक्चुअली वैसे तो बहुत सारे गोल हैं, मुझे ब्रैड पिट बनना है
Why not?
लेकिन ऑन अ लाइटर नोट आई वांट टू रिमेन फिट, आई वांट टू बी हेल्दी एंड आई वांट टू, आई थिंक जो मेरा बेस्ट पोटेंशियल है, आई वांट टू रीच देयर. I don't know what it is, and it might surprise me, it might surprise all of you, but one thing is for sure, that is not possible without the correct guidance, and that is where people like her comes into picture. She if I may tell,
Yeah, of course.
she does it for so many athletes. I think once we were discussing, I think it's very important. Remember I told you कि कई बार मैंने देखा था बच्चे, छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी आते हैं,
Yeah.
you know, kids like 10 years or 11 years. So you guide them according to their body structure, or in which sport they can go, or which one they can take according to their body structure. So that is very interesting. You want to tell something about that?
Yeah, so basically what we do is I played tennis since I was 10 years old, right? So my entire childhood went into playing a sport professionally. And from that I realized that if you get the right guidance when you're younger, I had to stop playing because of an injury, and that happens if you don't have the right nutrition and exercise, and a structure to your plan. So when we've also spoken about your kids, you said that, one of your kids is really active and, they're interested in sport, what can you do? If you plan from a younger age group, it prevents injuries, it helps them grow better, because that is the age group when you see those 10-12-year-old kids who come in, that's the growth phase that they're going through, and it's very important to be able to feed your body enough to grow and play a sport. So that's what we do, we specialize in that as well. And I love to help kids because I feel like long term, if they make it, it's living their dream.
Yeah.
I live your dream also, right?
Yeah.
I can't act to save my life, but it's for me, if I'm able to help anybody in their health journey, it gives me that satisfaction, and it's a sense of achievement that I feel like I did when I was on the tennis court. So for me, it's just being able to help, and get that performance. Now performance can be on court, performance can be on television, performance can be in your daily lifestyle as well, or work. So I feel when I help people perform better, it makes me feel satisfied, and I feel like, my tennis days are coming back because I'm doing it off court this time.
Wow. Paralympics, that you trained them also, which is, I think, is an amazing feeling that you must be getting.
So the Paralympics is coming now, and we've had a lot of athletes who've been training, tough times, because so many times they had to go through a lockdown and still training through that. Last week we had Chirag, who was with us from the Olympics, and we were talking to him about it and the experience they have. So like I said, it feels so good because my job gives me the opportunity to work with people from all fields. I can work with actors, athletes, people work professionals, mothers, homemakers. So many times I'm also working with just people who want to come and look after their health so that they can look after their family properly.
Right.
And there are so many ways to look at nutrition and health. And thank you so much for doing this. I think it's been such a pleasure. It's lovely talking to you, and I'm talking to you about nutrition, but this time for a change we're talking about how your journey's been with us.
Right.
And I'm hoping to give you the best transformation and reach your best potential that you're looking at.
Thank you so much.
And I'm sure there's a lot we can achieve. So I'm just pushing you, saying that yes, we can achieve more.
Yeah, I'll do my best. I will eat less sweets.
One of the things to do.
Yeah. एक चीज़ और मेरे को इसमें ऐड ऑन करनी है कि हम जब देखते हैं ना, अभी ओलंपिक्स अभी भी फ़िलहाल में हुए हैं, तो वी सी US एंड चाइना एंड जापान गेटिंग सो मेनी मेडल्स एंड गोल्ड्स. वी ऑल्सो गॉट इट एंड वी आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ दैट. बट आई थिंक व्हेन वी सी वीडियोज़ देयर, लाइक आई सी इट फॉर माई बेबीज़ करंटली, तो वो बचपन से ही जो शुरू हो जाते हैं ना, उनकी जो ट्रेनिंग बचपन से शुरू हो जाती है, नॉट ओनली ऑन द फील्ड but also on the level of, again, nutrition, about the entire people who are working behind that particular kid. That really helps them. और इसीलिए मेरे ख्याल से वो इतने सारे
आई थिंक दो चीज़ें हैं इसमें, राइट. फर्स्ट थिंग इज कि बचपन में आई थिंक आपके टाइम पे या मेरे टाइम पे आई थिंक we're of the same age group anyway.
Yeah.
So during our time I knew कि I could play sport, but at the same time I had to focus on academics as well. I do feel the environment has to support an athlete. So क्या होता है अगर आपकी स्कूल सपोर्ट कर रही है आपको, कोचिंग इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, then you get a better result. India has changed a lot over the years. But when you start younger, by the time you are going to get better, 15, 16 तक, then a lot of times the academic part comes in. People say कि अगर अभी तक आपने perform नहीं किया, आगे कैसे कर सकते हो? But the main years come after that. So the ones who do well in India as well are the ones where they have a strong support group. Parents, coaches, people like us who help them perform better. Sports science comes in, nutrition comes in. All of that, they're able to achieve a lot more. So I mean, as a parent, I know you will probably also look at pursuing for your kids as well, some sort of sport.
Yes.
It's important to keep at it for a longer period of time. People fall out earlier in India, by 16, 18, they make a choice and maybe say, we're not good enough, but the main years come in during that time, and if you're good and if you're consistent, I don't see why we can't get even better results. We've improved a lot. I mean, we had the highest number of medals this year, but we've done very well, and I can only as a sports scientist and a nutritionist, I keep nudging into saying, okay, what can we do better, and how much we can improve from where we started, and there's only an uphill from there. So, I mean, it's a good time to be in the sports industry as well.
Right. एक चीज़ और पूछूं?
हाँ.
Indian sweets are better or the Western sweets are better?
I will go with my personal favorite, which is Indian sweets. I love my mom's laddu. She makes this sattu ka laddu, which is my favorite. I eat one every
Indian
day.
sweets any day. Guys, stop tiramisu, stop pastries.
But घर पे बना हुआ, right?
जलेबी, गुलाब जामुन, रबड़ी, घेवर.
मेरी मम्मी का सत्तू का लड्डू. I said something which means I'm looking at a healthier version of eating Indian sweets. But see, we use it as celebration. Supposed to be happening once in a while because celebrations happen, festivities happen. You can consume it, but not in large quantities. Anything, whether you eat, anything that's baked, which is non-Indian, or you're looking at homemade sweets, you have to make sure it's in moderation. Because I know for a fact कि अगर आप कोई भी चीज़ excess में खाते हो, even the best thing, fruits are supposed to be great for health, but if you eat that morning, evening, night, you won't get the benefit from it. In fact, you're overdoing something. So I think moderation is another thing which hopefully you've learned as well. Like I said, I know you like your sweets, and we've tried to find the balance so that you can achieve your goals.
Right. So guys, that's I think about it.
Yes.
I would just say that आपका जो भी गोल है लाइफ में, in terms of fitness, in terms of even your day-to-day life, उसको आप और enhance कर सकते हो with the right guidance. So if you really want to attain that, look out for somebody like that. And if you can, then nobody is better than Krishmi.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for believing in us. Thank you so much for spending time and actually also encouraging. I know you influence a lot of people. You're so known in the industry as well, and you're a fantastic person. I told you you're my mom's favorite, and she'd be very happy saying, when can he come home and I can make lunch for him. But thank you so much for doing this, and hopefully this will encourage so many more people to look after their health.
I'm sure it would.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.